Hello guys, this is your host Level Up Mindset and with a brand new video. So today's video is a very special video. So I have brought for you the book summary series. So the first book which I am going to explain you is the How to Win Friends and Influence People. It is a very interesting book. I will show you picture here and very interesting book it is. You can read it. The Google in description I will provide you PDFs about regarding these books and very I feel that it is a very interesting and life lessoning book that you should read. I recommend it as I have read it all. So so this is the first part of the book. The book is divided into four parts. So this is the first part, which is named as Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. So there are three lessons in this Fundamental Techniques in Handling People. So three parts are there, and each part is very and interesting and giving a lesson about each part. So the first lesson is if you want to gather honey, don't break the beehive. Yeah. So this is the name of the lesson. But the principle at the end of the lesson is don't criticize, condemn, and complain. So the criticism puts the people at defensive and wounds their pride, and the people will feel very instead of helping the people should the other people, yeah, the other people will make it resentful. So avoiding that, what is mean by that criticism word? The criticism word means that act of showing a good or bad things of a book, film, movie, etc., etc. And in this book there is one quote regarding this, all the three quotes. The first quote is any don't criticize, condemn, and complain, and most fools do. Any fool can criticize and condemn and complain, and most fools do. Means that every fool means whoever is a mad or a not a brilliant person will follow the criticism, the condemn and complain all at all the situations. It will not understand all the situations. Instead of doing this, you try to understand people and why they act in a certain way. We should understand that. And here the first lesson of the book ends. So here comes the second lesson and the second principle that give honest and sincere appreciation. People crave appreciation just as much as a food as well as sleep. When you genuinely appreciate someone, they feel valued, which means that people will crave appreciation and give you the honest responses. And but if you also give them respect and they also give you respect, it is an equal distribution about the all the things that you share to them and that all the things that will share to you. So this principle is a very good principle that I liked it, I also support it. And deepest principle the deepest principle in this book is of the human nature is to craving to be appreciated. Yeah, instead of flattery, real offer real and thoughtful praise. So instead of flattery means that don't do flatter and don't do bettering on the other people. So offer real and thoughtful praise so that the people will believe in you and you will also believe in that people, and they will share you all the thoughts regarding to them, and you can give them the solution about that problem. So here the second principle also ends, and that now the third and the final principle arouse in the other person an eager want. So to influence someone, speak in the terms of what they want, not what you want, and show them that how important you are, how your idea benefits them. So, talk about what they want and show them how you give give them. how to get that thing, particular thing. So this book and this principle says that the to influence someone, we should share the ideas to the other people, like the boss and the teacher. That example I will give you. If you told your teacher to teach, if you doesn't if you don't understand any topic, you can ask the teacher, and always the teacher will give you the solution that how to solve that problem. Similarly, you should also give the responses to the people, and also to your idols, and how to teach them, and uh, that told them that you should do that, so that we can understand more easily and more effectively than the previous teachings. So this book mentioned one more quote in this talk about what the other person want, and also tell them that how to get it. So if you have an idea to do what to do what the other people wants, so you can tell them your idea, and also tell them the solution to achieve it. And then find and the last thing I will tell you, that find their needs, then align them to in a particular order, in a perfect order, so that they will find more interest in you, and you will get benefit of that. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you will like the video. And so uh, like and share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.